I use 3 pieces of criteria that helps me identify these significant structures in the market. The first is how many times have we tested this zone? So if we're trying to trade a bounce off of this zone, we already know right off the get that it's not as significant as this one because we've tested this zone way more than we've tested this zone. The more times that we've tested the zone and successfully rejected away from that zone, the more likely price will respect that zone in the future. The second one is how recently has trading been taking place around the zone? We can see that we are currently trading around this zone, and the last time we've rejected away from this zone was maybe last week or 2 weeks ago. We have not traded around this zone since the beginning of the year. So considering price action has been respecting this zone very recently, it is much more significant than if we're trading off a zone that we haven't touched in years. Then the third and final piece of criteria is how significant is the intent with direction in the candles around that zone. We can see that every time that we've come into this zone, we've had a clear intent with direction in one direction. We want to place trades off of zones that have clear